Hey guys, how's it going? As you can see, my World at War disc is completely fucked up. And I can't really fix it. So I finally found a way that I can do something with this. So what we're going to do is put it on a napkin. Now, after doing this, you're going to need one thing, a microwave. So let's go over to the microwave. Now, you guys might not think this works, but I mean, just wait. Alright, so step 1, open your microwave. Step 2, bring the CD into your microwave with the napkin under it. Step 3, close your microwave door. Now, step 4 might be hard for you fat-ass lazy kids, but all you have to do is click on the 2-minute option, which I can do. You might have to put it in if your microwave's retarded. But anyway, before I'm going to do that, I'm going to turn the lights off. And this light, and that light. Alright. Are you ready? Alright. Here we go. 2 minutes. Let's see what happens. I'm kind of scared to tell you the truth.
Oh my god.
That is awesome. Holy shit. Yeah, I wasn't going to leave it in there for the full time because it's starting to look pretty gruesome. And it's probably really hot right now, so I'm just going to leave it in there and we'll see what happens. Step 5. Carefully pull it out onto a plate. And there it is, good as new. Now, one thing I'm going to do is get a knife. Make sure it's cooling down. Don't want to touch that and burn your fingers off. Okay, it's cool enough now. So what we're gonna do is, it's still warm. I think it'll be good enough to put in the Xbox though. So what you're gonna do, bring it to your Xbox and then put it in. Take out Halo. And put the disc in. And let's see if it works. And would you look at that, it's loading. So it worked, guys. It worked for me. I don't think it's gonna work for everybody, but it definitely worked for me. So if this works for you guys, thumbs up, and even if you don't want to try it, thumbs up, and I'll see you guys later.